This is the front of the house, additional bedroom. It has carpet. It has a fan and double pane windows and a nice large closet there. There's the foyer. And here's the bathroom. There's the lighting. And the tub, seamless tub. It's in good shape. Alright, going in the hallway again. The carpet goes into the master bedroom. And then here's a laminate floor in the second additional bedroom. It's got a little bit smaller closet, but it's not the smallest I've seen. They've got a twin bunk bed in there. Okay, it's got a chair rail, so it's a little bit fancier. There's a closet as soon as you walk in the master bedroom to the right. You walk in, a nice fan in here, good sized bed. It's a king size bed, by the way. And there's the second closet there. There's down the hallway. Okay, so I'll back up so you can kind of get an idea of the feel of the room. There's a nice window there, and they have the floor all looks good here. There's the single vanity, and the curtain rods are bowed out so it looks kind of like a hotel. And I got some shelves in there for the shower. It's great. Everything looks good in the tub. Okay, let's go out and see the backyard. Turn off lights. Alright, going back to the back again before my camera stops. It's telling me I have maximum footage. Okay, backyard. Privacy fence, there's popcorn tree. Gutters on the house. A single gate there. Got the shed. This is newer built. And the pool. Looks pretty good in there. There's the back of the house. Porch. Roof looks pretty good. There's the gutters all along the house, which is great to keep the foundation in good shape. And the newer AC unit. I mean, literally those gutters go all around the whole entire house. You don't see that too often. There is a hammock and chickens. I'm not sure if they're bringing the chickens with them or if they're leaving them. But behind the fence, it looks like a green belt back there. Looks like there's no immediate neighbors out back. So it's kind of private. Have a big oak tree here. A lot of sun on the house. It's about almost 6 o'clock. So this is the late afternoon sun. There's space behind the workshop. Kind of going up a very small hill, so the house is up higher. And the workshop. Has a riding lawnmower. There's storage up there. Got tools and all out here. Alright, I'll talk to you soon. Signing out.